My morning definitely started off a little bit rocky. But I prayed about it and talked to God about it. I vented a little bit and I feel a lot better, but I wasn't able to eat yet because I've been just so just consumed with so many thoughts, and I'm just trying to gather myself together so I can continue to have a good day, because I know that the devil always wants to ruin your day. He will cause fights, arguments, hate, bickering, all of it. And I'm not going to let him win. He's not going to win today. I am going to have a great day. Today's going to be a good day. I just need to eat. I think that's what it is. I'm hungry. And I also have a headache. And I feel like I woke up early today. And it doesn't feel like I started my day. It's just too much that I have in my brain. So I'm going to brain dump and journal a little bit and just clear my head, because I can't think straight right now. Right now I'm playing some music with some Bible verses that's helping me relax. And yeah, I also have a to-do list. I have to do laundry. I want to mop the floors. I also need to wash my daughter's hair today. What else did I need to do? I think that's it for today. I don't want to overwhelm myself. That's my to-do list for today. And then I also have to cook dinner. But there's a lot of leftovers, so I don't know. I might not even cook. But I'm going to put something together with whatever we have, because we have so many leftovers. And we're going to eat that. We're not going to waste no food here. So I've been reading, and I found a verse that I resonated with, and I would love to share with you guys. This is Proverbs 3, verse 2-6. Store my commands in your heart. If you do this, you will live many years, and your life will be satisfying. Never let loyalty and kindness leave you. Tie them around your neck as a reminder. Write them deep within your heart. Then you will find favor with both God and people, and you will earn a good reputation. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Do not depend on your own understanding. Seek His will in all you do, and He will show you which path to take. Verses 11-12. My child, don't reject the Lord's discipline, and don't be upset when He corrects you. For the Lord corrects those He loves, just as a father corrects a child in whom He delights. I felt that because I was very confused earlier about something, and I just immediately prayed and asked God for guidance and to, open my eyes for the things that I don't see and the things that I don't hear. Like, sometimes we just have to let God handle it. Just let God handle it. I know sometimes we get confused and we're just like, what? Like, what? I just don't understand. But we just gotta trust in the Lord and let Him handle it. He will show us the right path. If there's a verse that you'd love to share in the comments, please do. Please do. I am still a beginner into reading my Bible and understanding the words. So as I progress, I will get better with explaining, but I do understand, and I truly feel feel the words. It took me a long time to, so growing up, I've went to church, and growing up I was Catholic, so we would go to church. I did my communion and all of that, and but I never really actually read the Bible, like actually dug in there and, you know, took the time to understand the Bible. And so as an adult now, I'm doing that, and I get goosebumps just reading these words. So all I truly want is a relationship with Jesus Christ and Father God, and I got goosebumps. I trust the Lord with all of my heart. I really do. And I surrender to Him, and I'm just wanting to be better, a better version of myself, and do better. Not just for myself, but for my children and my husband. And so, if you have something you'd love to share in the comments, please do. That'll be so nice. And even advice on how to read the Bible for any beginners in general that you think would be an easier way to understand, because I know reading the Bible can be overwhelming. And I have actually my Bible, I have it linked in my Amazon storefront, but I have the Holy Bible New Living Translation, and it just makes it easier to understand the Bible. And that's why I never really took the time to actually sit down and understand the Bible back then, because I just didn't understand the words. But now that, you know, I have this one, it's much easier to understand, and I'm loving studying the Bible. It just feels great. It feels good. Getting closer to God, getting closer to Jesus Christ, and I could just feel good things coming my way. I feel God's love, and I trust Him so much. So, yeah. So much leftovers. We have macaroni and cheese, we got beef, we got yellow rice, and we got white rice, and the kids left over some chicken nuggets and fries. So I'm thinking I'm gonna make some spaghetti, perhaps, with some Hawaiian rolls on the side. I'm gonna use the beef, and yeah, I think I'm gonna make some spaghetti. wonderful day today. I hope you guys did too, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I am gonna end it with some good news. I just got paid for a collab that I did the other day, so that's exciting. And I'm waiting on another paycheck from another collab that I did, so that's also super exciting. I should be getting that all by tomorrow. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next vlog.